Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Vacation is now over for me. It's the first day back to work. I'm on my way to work now. I just loose out my ear a while ago. I get a little breeze before I put it back in a ponytail. But I'm on my way to work now. So hope you guys remember to give this video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Click on that notification bell and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to us already. What's gonna happen today, I don't know throughout the day, but one thing I know for sure is that Alex is going to get his COVID vaccine today. Matthew still has 1 week of holiday, so Matthew is going to be at home with the children this week. He's going to take Alex to get his COVID vaccine, and me on the other hand is going to work. I don't know if you're going to get any footage of me while I'm at work, but I know for sure that Matthew won't pick up the camera today. So on Matthew's end at home, I know that they won't get any footage. So any footage you get after this, if it's done at work, is gonna reach home this evening. So hope you guys enjoy this video, even though it's not nothing much. And I'll see you later. Bye bye. So guys, this is the next day. I didn't get the chance to pick up the camera yesterday. And then yesterday, when I came home from work, Matthew was in so much pain because when 2 days ago, 2 days before yesterday, that would be about Saturday, he was taking a shower. And when he finished taking his shower, while drying off, he made a bad move or something. He has this back problem, and he made a bad move and pulled his back. So he has been having a hard time since 3 days now. Yesterday was a little bit better. But yesterday, I just want to soak up me and him alone and the kids. No disturbance, if you know what I mean. Since as he has been in pain for the past day. But today, I woke up this morning. It's a little bit worse. Knowing Matthew's not going to want to come on camera. So I didn't pick up the camera again. But as you can see, I'm on my way going to work now. It's a little bit chilly this morning. At first, someone I see, it's like someone never come because this year it didn't hot at all. It's semi-hot. This year never hot because the maximum degrees are like 36, 35. Today maybe about 26. But in the years past, I remember it was like 46, 45, in 40 bracket, almost 50. And we were complaining. So now that it's not that hot, I'm not going to start. And then with this kind of weather today, I don't think rain is going to fall, but as you can see, it's a bit overcast. Anyway guys, enough of me rumbling. And an update on Alex and his COVID vaccine. Everything happened well. A little bit sore in the ear that he had gotten vaccine, but that's it so far. My head side look so like he didn't want brushing. I never brushed him. Anyway guys, that's it for this morning. Look here. This little atty, I ride bicycle with telephone in the basket. You think you have how much you?
Eh ben j'ai 6 ans.
You're 6 years old? And I ride with bike with phone already? Alright, come on. Ah, my baby girl can ride bicycle good now. Go princess. Go princess. end of the grape season. The grape them are dry up on the tree. I don't know if it's because they're not getting enough water. As you can see, they look dry up on the tree. So Matthew is cutting them and making grape juice to put on this one. So then look. Then I look too healthy this year, look there. So this one dry up and stay. So I guess it's the end of the season this year. So Matthew cut them and make some juice. And look how big my tomato plant and my sweet pepper them get. Then I get no water since yesterday. So it's sun hot, I burn them up, look. It's sun hot, I burn them up. This one. But next year I think I'm going to plant them in the ground because these pots maybe look, they look big, but I think they're too small. Say hi, Ola. Say hello. This is my dog, Ola. But I get quite a few tomatoes and sweet peppers off my plants this year. But they look like them are dead. You're blending with the seed in there?
Or you want me to don't blend it with the seed?
Biological grape juice. With what in there or no?
Mais go pass, mais on fait full up that. So.
Grape like trouble can sand dog. Look nice. Should I go sweeten it or just drink it yourself?
Huh?
You go sweeten it or you go drink it yourself?
But I will try it just so. And see if I add some water, some sugar. And voila. Make some juice.
Yeah, just a pity we never tried this last year because every year we have a dash of 1,000,001 grape.
Yeah, but this year I tapping me out some decide like.
Close your eyes, I have a gift for you. C'est une cadeau pour toi.
Attends, je mets ça pour...
You close your eyes?
Oui.
Move over, not for you. You close your eyes? Open your eyes. What is it? C'est quoi ça?
Marque-page.
Oui? You like them?
Et c'est quoi? Un autre marque-page.
Let me see them. You're not happy? She watch TV and disturb her. I move her from her place. So I make book marker. This not finished. This one not finished. But look there. So they're nice. Look there. Let me see them. Look how they're nice. This is what I did at work today. Or some of the things that I do at work today. The next one there. This not finished too. And this one with her name written on it. Bookmarker. But then 2 year nice. Not in 2 year. Say thank you. Okay, that's one dinner time. Okay. I might take grape juice. Wait, no, Maya, it tastes good. It tastes good.
J'adore.
Mm.
Maman, j'ai envie de boire.
It tastes good, Maya?
Trop bon.
Non. Je vais en faire beaucoup et je vais le mettre au frais. Je vais faire tout ça. On prend toutes les vitamines. Il est bon?
Yes, she what you done. You have all it more left in there?
Il est nice, hein?
Maybe if it is cool, but it tastes good.
Because look, because we want to explain that every year.
Wow.
Good. Just look, if you pick parts there, it narrows again. And look, exactly the same thing on all of them. Là, you get picked from this, so, and all of that, look, even the something is dry.
Une araignée.
Voilà, so, il y en a fait, il y a 4
Mais maman, Daddy, il y a des araignées.
So guys, Matt, you get 2 bottle out, 2 bottle of juice out. 2 bottle of juice. 2 bottle or 1.5? 1.5 bottle of juice. But you did have half in the mix in the jug there, so. Voila, 2 bottle. You got 2 bottles of juice out of the raisin. We eat dinner. Matthew made dinner, we eat dinner, and now we are relaxed and watch some TV. But he come back for something and I don't remember. We want to do another Q&A. So, not really Q&A, but your assumption about us. So you can go ahead and leave all your assumptions about us in the comment section. And we will answer your question or tell if it's true or not. So just go ahead and drop uno assumption. What uno assume about we. How you eat again? How you drink? Give me some. One cup of freshly squeezed, freshly blend, or freshly whatever they want to call it. Grape juice. It smells like guava juice. It smells just like guava juice. They put it in the fridge now? I want to table that there. Alright. Peace out.